Okay.
Hello, everyone. My name's Dean. Let's talk crypto. This is where you subscribe for daily Bitcoin updates and technical analysis. We track the price of Bitcoin as a proxy for the cryptocurrency markets at large. Today is July 6th, 2022, and Bitcoin, as well as the rest of the cryptocurrency market, look like they are at a breaking point. It looks like we may get a crypto explosion, and these large volume wicks, okay, I don't know if we're going to necessarily get a big one in Bitcoin, but in most other assets, I believe we will finally get our large volume wick confirming a breakout of these corrective trends, okay? Now, in Bitcoin, if we breach this blue box here, okay, which is right now has an upper limit of around 25,000, then I think all bets are off, and this represents a complete consolidation reversal pattern for this massive, um, you know, however long trend. What is it? A year long trend? Let's just check. I don't even know anymore. Let's see. All right. From here to today, 245 day. Okay. So if we breach 25,000, then I think that this 245-day downtrend is not only over, but the reversal consolidation for this 245-day trend is also complete. Okay, but again, I don't think that is going to be the case. It's just improbable, guessing or judging by what other assets did in the market, right? Putting in 50 plus days of reversal consolidation. I think Bitcoin's also going to do the same. Ethereum's also going to do the same. So this June 18th low is, it's just too recent for us to just put in a small A wave, a small B wave, and a pivot, and then 5 waves up, and then just continue up. I could be wrong. So I'm watching very closely in Bitcoin this $25,000 level. But as I've said before, I think what's going to happen is very simple. We get our pump up and into this box, but the 1618, which would be, let me just pull the Fibonacci extension tool. If you're not subscribed or you're newly subscribed, welcome, by the way. The reason I have this box and the way I've created this box is basically from these Fibonacci extension levels. So I took the length of the A, retracement of the B. I'm using the orthodox low of the A, the orthodox low of the B, and you can see this blue box is right between the 1 and the 1618. Okay, typically we expect wave 5 to end between wave C, the C wave, which all this is, right? This is the C wave extension, right? It's impulsive, the last leg of this ABC sort of leading or initial breakup structure, yeah. And we expect it to come in between 1 and the 1236 of this A wave and the B wave retracement, okay? But sometimes it does break the 1236 and it tests the 1618. Okay, and then we can get even more specific. Here we have a leading diagonal. Okay, I think this is a leading diagonal because I count A wave, I count B wave, I count a smaller A wave, a smaller B wave, and so right here I have the start of my impulse. Okay, and thus far it looks like we're getting a diagonal, a leading diagonal, which is customary in at a macro low or at a major trend change. Okay, you get these leading diagonals leading you up and out of major trends, and it's both consolidative and impulsive at the same time. Okay, the thing is with these leading diagonals, you can expect wave 5 to be some sort of extension of the first 3 waves and the wave 4 retracement. Okay, and that extension is typically a 1618 extension or sometimes a 2618 extension. Okay, yeah, so that's what I'm seeing. That's why I've got, Bitcoin coming to maybe 23.6. What in this box, however, okay, that's basically what I'm seeing, and that's why I'm seeing it. But again, if we see Bitcoin break the top of this box, I'm paying very close attention, and I do not think that we're coming back down. But as it is, if you're subscribed to the channel, you'll know I'm expecting something like this in Bitcoin. Okay, we come to this level, we dilly-dally, we go up and down, we maybe go up a little bit. Again, that's a nominal high. That's not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about within this impulse, okay? But if we start consolidating and breach above 25K, that's not what I'm talking about. That's just B wave consolidation and preparing for a move down, okay? And we've seen this many a time. But during that period, I think alts are just going to smoke. I mean, they're just going to run. Bitcoin's going sideways. It's preparing for its big B, okay? Because this would be then big A, this would be big B. Then after that, you could see a small A, okay, and then a small B. This is just hypothetical. I don't know what form these will take. Again, in these reversal consolidations, there's so many options, there's so many combinations, so many permutations. B wave can be a triangle, it could be a flat, it could be a zigzag. Small a in the pivot could be a triangle, flat, or a zigzag. Small b in the pivot can also be a triangle, flat, or a zigzag. And then finally, after 50 or so odd days of reversal consolidation, I then expect Bitcoin to then start doing what the altcoins are doing now. And because the altcoins have a head start, this is why I think it's alt season. Okay, that's my larger thesis. This is what I've been saying on the channel for quite some time. Now let's have a quick peek at our altcoins. Guys, if you're getting value, please like, share, and subscribe. So our altcoins, and you can see this kind of across the board, all right? You have not gotten any volume confirmation of a breakout, okay? We still have yet to break out. So that's what we're looking for, number one. And number two, it's promising that we've got our double bottoms in our pivot, right? Big A, big B. I'm not even going to label it. I've labeled it a million times. This is my small A. This is my small B. It resulted in a W reversal pattern. I've got rounded bottoms or something like that, or a W reversal pattern, okay? And we're at the neckline. So I'm expecting an explosive move to the upside as a result. Okay. Kadena, same thing. Same thing that you're seeing in Dodo. You got your big A, your big B, not even going to label it. And here you have your double bottoms, in your W reversal pattern, right? You have rounded bottoms here. You have your A wave, you have your B wave, you have your pivot on even the smaller time frame. Or you can say you have a leading diagonal with a wave 2 correction, and you're going into a wave 3 correction, wave 3 impulse. I don't necessarily know. But in any case, on the larger 4-hourly time frame, you're seeing this W pattern. So I expect the next move to be up and out. Okay. So you're seeing this across the board, right? Litecoin, you're seeing the same thing, except instead of the price coming down to these levels, you put in a zigzag, right? 5 waves, 3 waves, right? But you still have your double bottom. It's just a little more bullish than these other assets. You're at a neckline, and next move is up and out. Okay, next big move is up and out. But again, we're waiting for volume confirmation. That'll really signify the trend change. Cardano, same thing, right? You've been at this level for quite some time, 20 some odd days. You put in your small A, your small B, you're at a neckline for your pump up and out. Again, waiting for volume confirmation. That will let us know for sure that the new trend has been established. Okay, we know it structurally with our wave count. Now we use our indicator, our volume indicator, to confirm. Big A, big B, small a, small b. You've created a double bottom here in reserve rights, and you are at a neckline. So anticipate that next move. Okay. Telcoin, same exact thing as reserve rights. You have your double bottom. You can call this a W reversal. You can call it a double bottom. They're rounded bottoms, not, geometrically round, but you get the idea. They signify bases. Okay. And so expect that next move to be explosive. Wait for volume confirmation before signifying the bona fide change of trend. But same thing here with Ravane. This is a little bit of an orthodox reversal pattern with a big A like this, okay, the big B like this, small a like this, small b like this, as I'm reading it, okay? And so do anticipate that next move to be up and out, an explosive move. You're at the neckline, so this is likely. And although we've gotten volume here, I anticipate that the breakout volume will be even larger than that. Okay, so that's what I have. This is why I'm really expecting big moves in crypto this week, and it looks very promising. Even for some big move to happen today. Okay, we've been waiting for quite some time. We're at the necklines. We put in the structural sort of patterns. It's now or never, as I said in yesterday's live stream. If you've gotten value, please like, share, and subscribe. Hope you guys are having a great Wednesday. Take care. I'll see you tomorrow.